What we're talking about today is how you used to be able to walk into a bank many years ago because you knew Bill, who was the vice president of that branch, and you could suggest to him that you needed money to buy farm equipment, to finance an apartment house, to buy a business, to make whatever kind of commercial purchase that was necessary. And Bill knew you. You banked in his bank for years. He worked in that bank for years. And kind of based on a handshake, he would loan you money because he saw money go in your account, out of your account. He saw you. He knew your wife. He knew your kids. He even knew your dad, your brother-in-law, your cousins. And it was a completely different kind of relationship to loan money. Today, it's driven by programs that are created at the bank with regard to exposure and how the bank sees that particular exposure. So for argument's sake, if you want to get a hospitality loan, very difficult to do. If you want to get a loan for your restaurant, very difficult to do. If you want rehab loan today, very difficult to do. Why? Because a lot of banks just don't want to go to those places. They don't want to hold, they think it's risky business. However, when you go to a loan broker, when you go to a loan consultant, we have the ability to access thousands of lending institutions throughout the United States that will have a program available to fit in a box. So it kind of goes like this, it's like, hello, John. Yes, my name is, and you tell me your name, and I ask you what's your story. You tell me your story once and only once. I may have a loan app in front of me. I will take some information, take some additional, ask some additional questions. But what's important is that you tell me your story once. While you're telling me your story, I may have a half a dozen guys in my head immediately that I'm thinking about. I could shop this through finance company X, Y, Z, and also maybe A might even have some interest in it. But what's really more important here is that as a loan consultant, what I am trying to do is not only sell your loan or sell the idea of your loan, I'm trying to get you the best rate possible and the best terms possible every time. The truth is, if you got good credit, your rates are going to be better, your term is going to be better. If you got poor credit, the rates are going to be high, and your term might even be short. There might be more points up front, there might be less points, there might be a point to get out of your loan, depending on your situation. But the point is that going to a loan consultant could be the best thing you ever did for yourself. And what I would really recommend is you get on the phone, you dial 908-284-2279, you dial in extension 1002, ask for John, that's me, I'll pick up the phone, tell me your story. I will make some notes, as I've said, and frankly, I will tell you from the moment you tell me your story whether I could loan you enough money to get your project done, to finance your dream, or if I couldn't get you enough money to buy a cup of coffee at McDonald's. Thanks for your time today. Again, it's John at American Finance, 908-284-2279. Have a great day.